Eshpa Chico Usteshpa Omine Juan. Primeramente, saludos y respetos right here with my co-host, Letaxi. What you gotta say, Letaxi?
That I'm stoned
Are you?
and hungry.
Okay. So what were we talking about earlier?
What post did you show me? It was a post on Instagram.
We were talking about the Aztec pyramids, which are,
Oh, yeah.
in our reality, Mayan pyramids.
Yeah, something like that. They were saying how, what were they saying, babe?
So it's a proven fact that scientists don't know how, with the technology that people had back then, were able to move a 250 ton rock. Each block is 250 tons, according to the full community.
Putting them on blast. The source.
Well, you gotta put the source out there. You gotta give credit to the source. So I was curious, and I asked this Jainita, what does she think is the reality to that? And she's so stoned that she told me, maybe they have superpowers.
Shut up.
So that's where we're at right now. What do you guys think?
Comment down below what you guys think.
Let us know, how do you think they built the pyramids, and how were they able to move those blocks 250 tons? And from what I know, there's no technology nowadays that can move that. So let me know if I'm wrong. Oh my, great choice of food.
My food?
It is. But check the time, babe, please. 301. We're right here at Corrales Mexican Food to Go on the corner of Santa Cruz and Thompson in the beautiful city of Ventura. So if you happen to pass by around 301 and you thought you either seen me or the toxic, you were probably right.
They can't see me. I'm hiding behind a bush.
She's hiding behind the bush because she's high right now.
Just kidding. I don't hide.
She was being a little traviesa earlier, so
When? You're stupid.
blowing smoke.
That's why you told the car wash like that was all blown?
Because the car smelled like weed.
It did. It still does. The back smells like it.
What bandas were popping when you were in high school?
Arcángel Musical or some shit like that.
Arcángel Musical?
Or some shit like that. I forgot what it's called. Banda MS.
When you were in high school, Banda MS?
Yeah, they were popping back then. I don't really hear of them that much right now. El Trono de México or something like that.
Which one is the banda that you said you went to Mexico and they had a banda right there?
Tierra Cali.
And that you were dancing with one of the integrantes?
Yeah, that was,
Banda Recodo?
I forgot what it was called. I'm high right now.
Go remind her when she's no longer
High.
too high. because he's too high right now. So we went on a hike yesterday, dog. And I was doing a good service for my Jainita, but the whole time she was mad at me because I took her. Look, they have a drive-thru? No, huh?
No, that's a parking. I don't know why it's called to go. When they have tables out here.
Try one of these.
I did. I'm eating them. That's why I put them right here.
Honestly, I think you make better nachos.
When have I made nachos? Oh, that one time?
You haven't made nachos?
I said, when have I? But I forgot I have.
What time?
When we bought nacho cheese, duh.
Were you living there or no?
Yeah.
So, from a 1 through 10, what do you say about these nachos?
But they're good. They're not bomb, but they're good. I think my nachos are better. Not really.
Everything about you is better. Baby,
What did I tell you about lying?
I'm not lying. Now today she hooked it up, dog. She's been hooking me up with the same food for like a month straight. And today she changed it up, Holmes. I was really happy.